What are you doing here? Cleaning off your car?
Clean off my car.
What are you using?
A broom.
So, how ready are you for spring?
Winter. I like winter. It
You
doesn't
do?
bother me.
It's happening, and you got to deal with it when it comes. You know. So.
So what are you doing out
You got
here?
to make the best of every situation. That's all you can do.
And what are you doing out here today?
Just trying to get a jump on the start of it here. You know, even though it's gonna fill right back up soon. You know.
I have to say I am over it, and I'm looking very forward to spring. And I'm not happy about the 20 inches that we're supposed to be getting on Sunday, is what I heard. I don't know if you heard that as well. So just getting a jump start on everything, and looking forward to spring. But it is what it is, and Mother Nature's having a ball with us. So everybody stay safe and enjoy it.